Sorry.
The only thing you can do it on the dummy. What?
Oh, goddamn!
Oh shit!
Oh, your microphone's great. I love it.
That's alright, Mike. Fuck me, dude.
It's not your microphone, so whatever. I mean, it's something.
Fuck me, dude.
It's okay. You're the jump master. Lead us. Well, you can jump solo, or you can just let Tyler control you.
Just don't even. Just go to the bathroom, dude, and be back.
That's what I do.
Be on the ground.
Oh god, team, full team, full team!
Actually, don't know where the loot is, Patrick. So.
Oh god, they're in, they're
Oh,
deep,
shit.
they're deep and they're hard.
Okay, well, yeah, I get that.
One slow as hell.
Yeah, I need a gun. Hold on, Mikey, you're alone. I got a gun. I'm coming.
This guy's got purple armor. Are you fucking me? That's incredible. Don't go that way, Patrick. I mean, miss it if you want to.
I mean, I guess I will.
God, I'm bad. Oh, straight, straight. Oh, fuck. I'm going out the door, dude.
Man down, man down.
There's a team running away.
Shit.
Oh, you can see me through the light. I can see it. Oh, found me. I'm low.
Is he in there? One team ran away.
Okay.
Okay, we're clear, but the other team ran away.
Okay.
This guy's the luckiest human on the planet. Are you,
Just had all the loot, huh?
bro? He had what? He had a purple helmet and a purple shield.
Just in here. Next
I have
room
like
over.
no ammo.
Hit once. Gibraltar. Oh god, what are you fucking reloading for, man? Gibraltar's dead.
Defeated the whole squad.
Reloading.
Yeah, Patrick, you got a lot to learn. Guy on me.
Double timing it.
Let him push you. I'll fuck him up.
He's trying.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Give my shields a recharge.
Push this little fucking bitch.
Far. He's low, by the way, Mike.
Target spotted.
Tango down.
Reloaded.
Far as well. Deep, 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 deep.
Reload.
Hit him with the BM. You feel?
Blanks, you just missed.
Look out, grenade.
Double timing it. Down to target. Reloading.
Tyler, finish this guy. Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
If you finish with gold armor, you get all your shield back.
Fully regenerate. Probably do that.
Oh, I'm down.
Reloading. I just dusted an entire unit. Giving him the chimney.
I fucking love this game, dude. Woo! Sorry.
Yeah, baby! Oh, I can't scream that loud. It really pisses me off. I can hear you.
Someone's respawning here.
No.
Respawn. Fucking no! No respawns. I will not allow it.
Give my shields a recharge.
I know this is new, but everyone's so trash at it. It's great because it's free to play. It's free to play, so that means everyone's gonna be trash. It's so exciting. I love playing trash players. It's my favorite thing.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
One that down.
Away your gun again.
Reloading. Tango down.
Mouse 3. And like Alt and F and enemy.
Already on my mark. Firing
But you
for
can
a
look
fact.
at it again and cancel it with mouse 3.
Reloading.
Patrick,
Tango
look at your
kills.
quick.
That's him.
Come and get your back. Reloaded.
On the target.
Out to the right. Go.
Reloading. Whole unit. Yay. Damn, I'm good.
Purple armor here.
This is our lots of loot. Lots of loot.
Reloading.
Oh, yeah.
The wingman's so fun, dude.
So the best tier of loot is yellow,
Yeah.
like legendary.
Oh, right here. Once, twice. Pushing.
He's low.
Reloaded.
He's running.
Reloading. Whole unit
Bang,
KIA.
Bang bang.
Damn, I'm good.
Not bad.
In terms of guns, like what are the good guns? Oh, actually, there's some hell.
They're all pretty good. Longbow. The wingman.
Wingman with the right
Longbow, wingman.
with the right attachments. The wingman's good. R301's a good rifle. The R99, I think it's called, is a good SMG. They're all pretty good though, like Tyler said. I see a guy. Hello. One's down.
To our right. Over there.
Reloading.
Two down.
Down another target.
I'm gonna drop an ulti on these guys in a sec.
Come on in. Old Painless is waiting. Frag out. Frag out. Smoke.
They're dead.
Kill confirmed.
Reloaded.
I just dusted an entire unit. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Reloading.
Hell yeah.
Reloading.
Anyone with their fists out?
Reloading.
3. One's close to us. Patrick, turn on left, turn on left. They're trying to cut us off. Behind you, Mike.
Gotcha.
On us.
Top in the chimney.
Really close. I see him.
Target over there.
Oscar Mike.
This one.
Give my shields a recharge.
He's trying to hook left, Patrick. Careful.
Enemy down.
Another? Hello?
Dead.
Reloading.
There's still that team over there. I'm
Enemy
paying.
spotted.
Ring close.
Reloading.
Broke his armor.
One's down.
Tango down.
One's left. Mike, left. Whoa, orange street in the hallway.
He's
Down
dead.
Yeah.
another target.
They're all dead.
Give me a sec.
Okay.
Recharging shields.
Where could they be? Wow. I have 30 seconds to return to the battle. I'm all the way up here.
Warning. In progress. Attention. Delivery care package.
Care package incoming. Let's get to the LZ.
There's shots over to the west. Oh, okay. I need to rebind my ult to not be mass 3.
Where are they?
4.
Oh, I see their dome right there.
Enemy spotted.
Yeah.
Old Painless knocking at the door.
Right there. One up on the rock, super lit.
Target over there. Enemy over there.
Ripped armor one on the left.
Rock guy's down.
I can just right there.
Yeah, they're low. One left.
Double timing it.
Bug him up.
Reloading.
Good shit. 19? 20?
I think 21. I'm not sure.
I'll take it.
You are the Apex champions.